as you just saw, we took a bunch of this old pallet wood that we planed down, and now I just jointed it with my track saw, or broke it down to 1.5-inch sticks. Got lots of alternating heartwood and sapwood on whatever this is. Hickory maybe? I don't know. This is definitely some spalted maple. I think it's spalted maple anyway. But it doesn't look like it's the same species to me. But anyway, the reason we broke all these down is that this will be our face frame that we're going to construct for around this cabinet to get just really, step up the look of that. I don't know if you guys see that, but we'll have these face frames go around here. Now you notice that my boards are too short to do a proper face frame, so I need to stretch these boards out a little bit, or do some sort of joinery or something like that. So that's the next step, is our vertical pieces are fine. We've got a sufficient vertical length on a lot of these to do what we want. Maybe we don't. I know some of them are. Yeah, there you go. For something like that, depending on how we want to land it. But even this will go in between these two spots. Yeah, that'll be fine for a vertical joint. So gotta do some cleaning up, but yeah, I have a cool task I want to do on the router table over there.
Got my hammer and my chisel reaching for the sky. Crafting dreams with every stroke of the blade. From dawn till dusk, a legacy is made. In the workshop, where the wood sings, handmade treasures shaped by hands and trades. the starless skies. Got my hammer and my chisel reaching for the sky. Crafting dreams with every stroke of the blade. From dawn till dusk, a legacy is made. In the workshop, where the wood sings, handmade treasures shaped by hands and trades.
Well, guys, welcome to the shop. I've got the cabinets up. I had to get some of the clutter out of the way so I could work and put together this face frame. The face frame was built with some old pallet wood I found laying around the shop. I tore down an old pallet. Looks like hickory to me, if I had to guess. I jointed it with bow ties. That's really how well it picks up on camera. I'll finish it when it's up there. It's just rough sanded right now. But we've got bow ties joining everything together. The material was too small, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to bow tie everything together. I 3D printed the profile of the bow tie to exactly match the bit profile. This is a 7/8 inch dovetail bit. So 3D printed that, transferred it over, cut out the dovetails on the bandsaw. So I'm going to use a little construction adhesive, a little liquid nails to glue that face frame on there. And this ugly cabinet carcass I built, hopefully will look a lot better when I'm done. So let's get it going. Alright guys, we've got our face frame glued on. It's roughly centered. Looks good. Definitely going to dress this up. That construction adhesive will dry in a couple hours and I'll be able to take the clamps down. The clamps are just keeping everything in place, keeping contact. I'm not going to put any pin nails on this one. We'll let it be. I'll give it a nice high grit sand, clean it up, and then we'll put some sort of finish on it. I don't know what yet. I was thinking a paste or wax finish, or a paste wax finish, something like that. Something, I don't know, to make it look cool. And then after this is all done and this is complete, we'll move on to the organizational pieces. I just got everything tossed in here for now, but we'll tear this all out and we'll do some full custom organization. And really what I really want to see is a very functional but also very cool background. Well, thank you for joining me at the Cog and Quill Workshop. I wanted to get the project to this point before we ended this video, and next time we'll come back, we'll have some finish on it, we'll make it look nice, and start doing some cool organization. So thanks for coming. Like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and see you next time.